home. They know exactly where you are. Pretty nifty, huh? Security is very important to us here. If I were you, I'd start running.
Hello? Can you hear me? You have to get the Omni hand back. Try to find Huggy, or he'll find you. I'm so sorry I have to. I'm going to do everything I can to find Chrissy. Please, get the Omni hand. It's the only way to save the parents. We'll see you soon. I hope.
Descending to Block 5 near the laboratory. They are issued at once to each subject who takes their belongings necessary for large body experiments. Our Playtime team appreciates your
What makes you so capable of fighting? Tell me. Nothing. You're just an idiot running like a mouse straight into a cat's mouth. You want to fight? You didn't learn? It makes me laugh to think that your little friends will come and save you. Hurt them, they can barely save themselves.
you like spawn in, spin around, and you're gonna be on the floor.
Stop, Huggy, please. No one is to blame for what they did to us. It was Dr. Sawyer and
Wait, here's like
1006.
the remake.
He's manipulating you, don't you see? You're about to kill the only one who can save us. He's our only hope to get out of this hell.
Run.
Oh,
I'm recording this.
I also think. Oh,
Did you really think Poppy was going to help you?
I lost my run to this way. It's such a good
Turning back now. So explode, damn you.
Explode, damn you! Nah, bro. Tried that already.
Games like run is longer than every Poppy one so far. Yeah, it's like 10, 16 is like slower than every other game. But you can probably get like an 8-minute. I'm in like a lot of the cities. I said this is like off 8%.
It's a good speed run.
Entering hospital stop 1B. To continue to the laboratory area, you must have the appropriate access card. Our team continues to be fascinated by advances in human evolution and the quest for immortality. If at any time you experience discomfort or emotional disturbance, please consult the nearest Playtime laboratory staff members. If you feel you are not mentally or physically fit to operate, please immediately inform the doctors available in your area. Warning. Any disclosure of information witnessed or heard in this stream will result in immediate termination. Please remain silent. We are approaching the hospital complex's internal lines. Identify yourself upon entering. Thank you for using the trains outside the prison system. Have a great day.
Oh, the 100 matches here for Red Hat.
Oh, like, why wouldn't we?
We just need to get this skip. We're at 8 minutes.
It's I don't know what I was I think it was like a lot. It was an 8-minute flat or like I don't know, like 7:20. I had such a good pace. Like 7:28. Wait. Oh. It's like the faster you go, so maybe like lean back, I think it helps. I don't know.
Camera RNG. Yes.
What's up, Tim?
Hello,
9:30.
and welcome to the Playtime Company Hospital.
I guess the
Lab.
goal is submarine.
You hear me? Yes.
Oh, yeah.
I just wanted to say, welcome. Please, remain
I
calm.
got stuck at the door.
If you start to feel uncomfortable, you can hand in
should-
your withdrawal
You
letter.
should title the
Or
video
let
like
the soldiers
Chapter
the
5
movie
demo
themselves.
world record.
Lies,
demo.
lies, lies.
What else have you used?
Welcome back to the labs and the hospital. The nucleists will watch over you,
Chapter
guide
5
you,
full
teach
game
you,
demo
and
walkthrough.
upgrade you to how to be a doctor or scientist in Playtime.
100% real full game.
Your abilities will increase,
or in this case, you will die. Do you really think that with every passing minute, your mind doesn't crumble more and more? You keep looking for it, don't you? You can't anymore. Every step you take up there, you see meaningless things. Every time you breathe, you hear her voice, and you trust Poppy. Your fear is 1006, right? Or maybe your fear is that Poppy won't come to save you. Let's see what you find on this wall.
Yo, bruh.